Hi, I'm Trent with L2L, and with our latest release, L2L has focused on making work for technicians easier and more efficient. Technicians face a busy day of preventative and reactive maintenance, so there's no time to waste clicking through screens or hunting for instructions and manuals. That's why L2L created the Technician Portal, a single screen interface that has everything to help technicians get the job done.
So what's in the new Technician Portal? Let's take a look. The top menu tabs include everything that a technician needs in order to handle and close out a dispatch. All red items are required to complete the dispatch. When completed, they turn blue. Starting with Info, you can see the details of what the issue is and where it exists on the shop floor. Then, the Question button ensures that proper process is followed and all important information is gathered. It's even color-coded to show if more action is needed. The Spares button shows you what tools you'll need to get the job done. It's got a cool new feature too, but more on that later. The Documents button has auto-populated all necessary documents and instructions for quick reference. Actions and Components shows a technician what they'll need to do in order to fix the issue. It logs actions so people will know exactly who fixed the machine. It's got a cool new feature also. Resources. This shows you who's doing what. You can even attribute cost to resources. And then finally, Related. If follow-up or clarification is needed, you can use this button. Another efficiency-enhancing feature in the Technician Portal is an easy way to search and filter that helps technicians plan out their workdays. And if you have a break, you can check to see if a coworker has a particularly tough fix on their hands and can offer to help out so that everyone can meet their commitments.
And then there's the cool new feature that I mentioned earlier. L2L is excited to announce the inclusion of AI functionality in our Technician Portal. This tool will recommend spare parts and suggested actions to make fixes quicker and ensure that the first fix is the final fix. This is just the first instance of AI in L2L. You can expect to see many more AI-powered features in our smart manufacturing platform as time goes on. So go ahead, check out the new Technician Portal. And if you're not an L2L customer, reach out to us at info@l2l.com for a demo of our Technician Portal and all of our maintenance capabilities.